What made you guys accept the role? Like when you, I'm sure ang dami yung ginagawa sa life and there's another, tapos ensemble cast pa to. So what made you guys like, what was the point na, okay, I want to do this. I want to do this movie.
I think it's the honesty of the story. Yung pagiging raw ng story. Na alam mo, yun nga, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ang dami palang nangyayari sa mga entertainer sa Japan na yun pala yung totoong nangyayari sa buhay nila, yung mga sakripisyo nila sa buhay nila na dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, yung minsan yung pamilya mo sa Pilipinas hihingi na lang ng pera, 'di ba? Pero hindi nila alam yung gaano kahirap kitain yung bawat sentimo doon.
Yes.
Yun.
How about you, ate? What made you accept the role?
I think siguro yung gusto mong makapagbahagi ng storya ng buhay nila, especially kahit papaano i-break yung preconceived notions ng nakararami of what being a babae is all about. So, with this film, sabi ko, okay, I think we're imparting a strong message. And also, it is our prayer na for people na makanood to realize what it takes, 'di ba? To be working in a different country in that situation. And yung mga sakripisyo na kailangan gawin na sana makita din sila na mga babaeng nagtatrabaho, hindi lang sabihin natin conventional.